Hi, welcome to Kitchen Revelations. Today's recipe is chocolate ice cream. There is no egg, cream, butter or sugar in this recipe. You might wonder how this ice cream is made. This recipe has been specially made for diabetic patients. Watch till the end for the secret ingredient and for tips and tricks. And also, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for regular updates. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the recipe. So this is the secret ingredient. I have taken a sweet potato. Wash and clean the potato and cut them into small pieces. Sweet potatoes are highly nutritious. They are a great source of fiber, vitamins and minerals. They also promote gut health. Next, into a pan add 1 cup water. Place a steamer plate into this pan. Now place the sweet potatoes onto the steamer plate and steam for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they turn soft and mushy. So our sweet potatoes have been cooking for almost 10 to 15 minutes. Let's check out whether they have turned soft by pricking using a fork. Once cooked, keep them aside till they cool down. Meanwhile, take a cup half filled with hot milk. To that add half teaspoon coffee powder. Here I am using instant coffee powder. Next add 2 heaped tablespoons of cocoa powder. Here I have used Cadbury's Unsweetened cocoa powder. The link to buy this cocoa powder has been given in the description box below. If you want a vegan version of this chocolate ice cream, omit milk and use warm water or soya milk or any plant-based milk for making this ice cream. Mix well and keep aside. So our sweet potatoes have cooled down completely. Let's deskin them and mash them using a fork. So we have finished mashing the sweet potatoes. Now transfer them into a mixer grinder jar. Add coffee and chocolate milk to the mashed sweet potatoes and grind well. Also add few drops of vanilla essence. This is completely optional. Now at this point, check the taste of this ice cream. If you find it less sweet, you can add natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup or even overripe bananas as a healthier version. I have added here 3 tablespoons of honey and again I'm going to blend this in the mixer jar for a few seconds. So you can see for yourself that the texture is really thick and gooey, same as that of the ice cream that you buy from supermarkets. Though I have added honey to make this ice cream healthy, you can also add sugar if you are making it for kids. So now let's transfer this ice cream into a mold or container and freeze for minimum of 4 hours. So our ice cream has been chilling for 6 hours in the refrigerator. So now let's scoop out and see how it has turned out. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and share this video if you liked this recipe. So our chocolate ice cream is ready. Drizzle with some chocolate sauce or garnish with some almonds, cashews or any other toppings of your choice. Hope you liked this recipe. Once again, thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.